are kicking off our gift guide week with ideas for the foodies in your life.
Our good friend Mary Berg is here to tell us what you should gift to all the cooks in your life. Welcome back, Mary.
Oh, thank you very much.
I'm very excited about this
I'm
one.
really glad we always have you in the kitchen, but now you're showing us what to get the people we want to have in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And different types of people.
Yes, exactly. And I'm not a gadget person. I'm not going to try to make you buy something that you're going to use once and then be like, why do I own this
So
thing?
no slap chops here.
No slap chops.
Okay.
I mean, it's kind of, but it's a better version.
Yeah, okay. So let's start.
Yeah, so the first one, this is for the lazy cook.
All
the
right.
person who maybe doesn't want to try too hard. So this is a mini food shop. This one's my Cuisinart one. I love this. I use this probably at least 3 times a week when I don't want to cry chopping onions or I want to make salsa or something. So basically, we've got some very festive peppers here. You basically pop whatever the heck is you want, and I'm like a pure crier when I chop onions. Okay. So this is very, very helpful. And then you either do chop,
Oh, wow.
Super fast.
and basically just chop them up. It also goes the other way, grind, which kind of grinds things up a little bit.
Sure. Oh, that's great.
But basically that's it. It's perfect to make salsa in.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Because then it's the perfect amount. Sometimes when you do it in a full food processor, you end up with enough for an army.
And
also,
it's super small, too. out of the
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Perfect.
take up a ton of room in your cupboard. It's pretty compact.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one. This one is for the...
This one's for the messy cook.
Yeah,
cook.
absolutely.
So these, I did not believe in these, and my mom bought me them, and she was like, Mary, they're amazing. They never smell, which sounds weird. They are, so pick one up.
Okay.
They feel kind of crunchy.
Looks like a paper towel. Okay, no, but it's like thicker.
What they are is they're actually the Swedish material, and what they are is they are a cloth that when you dip in water, look at how soft those get.
Oh, wow.
Give it a go, because honestly, it works basically, it's like reusable paper towel.
Oh,
I
wow.
have one that I use with all of my different sprays and everything. I have one that I use.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we're making a mess, it's all
That's
good.
okay, it's just
water.
Wow.
But
For the
it's
messy cook.
perfect for the messy cook. It wipes everything up. It's got
Yeah,
a
it
good
does.
abrasive, but it's not too
Yeah,
hard.
and then you wash it, you just
And
rinse
it goes,
them?
you can rinse them, you can put them in the dishwasher, you can put them in the wash, and they're good
The
to go.
dishwasher, what a good idea.
Yeah, the dishwasher, because you're already doing it anyway, so just pop it in there.
And they're kind of eco-friendly.
They're
at the same
super
time.
eco-friendly. I've had mine for about a year, and they're like, you know, sometimes you have a cloth in it for one day, and you're like, ugh.
Yeah.
Not these ones.
Okay.
Is this, who's this, the forgetful chef?
This is the forgetful or
Okay.
the wine-drinking chef, as I like to call
wine drinking
it.
chef, okay.
Yes. So this is an instant read probe thermometer. This is something that I have used I use this all the time, anytime I'm making a roast. So basically what you do with one of these is you turn it on, and instead of setting a timer to go off when your chicken's done, you set the temperature to go off.
Oh,
So
smart.
the chicken or the turkey for Christmas lets you know when it's ready, and you just stick it in, and you don't have to like check it. You stick it in raw, put it in the oven.
This survives the temperature of the oven?
Yeah, so it's got a long cord. The cord survives.
And this
sits outside basically, and then it just goes off.
And that's it. This is okay in the oven, no matter how hot it gets.
Up until I think 550 degrees.
Okay.
Don't put it in your barbecue. I've made that mistake before.
Okay.
Yes.
That's very good.
That
Okay,
gets
great.
a little too hot, but it's perfect because then it lets you know when it's
And
done.
then you don't have to open the oven.
Yeah.
Exactly. And you can be sitting having wine, having a good time,
I
and
like
the
that.
turkey lets you know.
All right.
All right, what's this one here?
This is for the young cook.
Okay.
So this is something that like child Mary, but also current Mary would love.
Yeah.
But it's basically got, look at the cheese, and you can pull the
eggplant.
cheese
Yeah,
off.
super cool.
So you've got a little slice of cheese. This to me is like my dream. This or like one of those little mini kitchens.
My son would absolutely love these.
Yes.
Yeah, my son's 4, and he likes.
That's cute.
They're super cute, to be honest. They also, this
They're
one's from IKEA, and they also do like a little baking pan that you can
Oh,
do.
nice.
It's a
Okay.
Wiener
Yeah.
Schnitzel.
It's a
Okay.
We're good.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's kind of for the younger cook.
Okay, I know that I need this
Yeah.
because I am afraid
Yeah,
of this.
yeah. You and I are the
Because
same.
I've had an incident.
Have
so
you had
tell
an
me about
incident?
this.
Oh, I've had many incidents. I've got all the scars to prove
Me
it.
too.
And it's
Yeah.
always the damn carrot.
Yes, I was making ratatouille with this one time, and I texted my husband. I was like, I have to go to the doctor. He's like, you're making ratatouille, aren't you?
Oh, God.
So this is a cut-resistant microplane glove.
Oh,
so
wow.
basically all you do with that, do you want to give it a go, Ben, or do you want me to do? No,
yeah,
okay, well,
yeah,
I'm going to do it. Yeah?
Okay.
No, I mean, I
Okay.
trust you.
So basically, you put that glove on,
Yeah.
and it's super cut resistant. So if you're a little bit clumsy with your knife skills, or if you're using
Yeah.
something like a mandolin or a V-slicer, it makes it so you can actually do it without being terrified you're actually going to cut your hand.
Because I've never used one of these
No.
since I cut myself really badly.
It's
on it.
terrifying.
So, yeah,
It's vaguely
so
terrifying.
I
Okay,
am
we
the clumsy
only
cook.
have about a minute left,
Oh,
so we got to
perfect.
go through. What is this?
This is for the eco-friendly cook.
All right.
So these are reusable zip top bags.
Smart.
So there are ones that are like silicone and
Yeah.
they're really sturdy, which is great. But these ones are nice because they're really
They
flexible.
feel more like the bags that you would buy, the disposable ones that you buy.
The disposable ones, and they're great. They're dishwasher safe. You can wash them just with a warm cloth
Oh,
and
great,
some
yeah.
soapy water.
That's a good seal, too.
And they're waterproof seal, so you
Great.
can actually put stuff in there that might spill.
I like that.
And no more throwing out bags.
No more throwing out bags.
All right.
Okay, the one pot.
This is my favorite pot. I own it. It is a Dansk. It's a super vintage version.
Okay.
So it's a one-pot cook for multiple things. So basically, you can do anything in it. It's great kind of Dutch oven, but the lid. First off, I got short ribs.
Did you
in
make
there.
short ribs?
We made short ribs.
You made short ribs.
But look
my
at
favorite
this.
thing.
The lid becomes a trivet.
Oh, that's brilliant.
So it's a
look, a fork.
one-pot guy.
And you can serve with it
And you can
as
serve
well.
with it, and it goes straight to the thing.
I'm just
And then-
assuming I can eat this.
Yeah, get on in there.
All right.
I was like, that's my short rib
That's,
recipe.
that's really brilliant.
Not too
And
shabby,
it's
right?
beautiful, too.
Right? It's super nice. And now,
Okay.
last but not
Brownies?
least, this is for the chef that has everything,
Okay.
or as I've heard, your son.
Yes, because
Yes.
he hasn't really gotten into the kind of designer salts.
Yes.
Yes. So.
Well, and that's the thing. So what we have here is just some dulce de leche, which I'm going to put on some brownies.
Okay.
And if you want to sprinkle on, we've got some smoked Maldon salt.
Yeah.
There we go. Put
There's
them here. Perfect.
also this one, which is my favorite. It's from Canada. It's Newfoundland Salt Company, and they do a smoked spruce salt. Oh, my gosh.
Mary Burke, thank you very much.
So good.
We got to go. Thank you for all of this.
Gosh.
Thank you for all of this, and we will be right
Thank
back.
you.
So good. I want a brownie too.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.